Ready to refresh your healthcare resume? We're here to help. In this video, we'll break down essential resume sections to include and how to highlight your most relevant accomplishments and proficiencies. And stick around till the end for tips to take your resume up a notch. Let's get to it. After listing contact information, including your full name, phone number, email address, location, and online portfolios, you'll need a professional summary. Start the professional summary with a branding statement. This is your elevator pitch, spotlighting the most important information that you want to share. Here's an example. Your professional summary should be 2 to 3 sentences long and include your professional goals, level of experience, relevant healthcare skills, and any certifications that you have. Next, we'll list your skills. This list will incorporate hard and soft skills with a special emphasis on transferable skills. Hone in on 6 to 10 skills promoting your most relevant and impressive abilities. Not sure which skills are relevant? Refer to the job description for the role you're applying for. As an example, here's a list of common healthcare skills a physician assistant may want to include on their resume. After displaying your top skills, it's time for the most substantial section, your experience. The experience section is a description of your work history with explanations of the skills you displayed earlier on your resume. Each role should include the company name, employment dates, your title, and responsibilities. Don't forget to add quantifiable information to show the impact of your accomplishments. You can mention the number of patients you cared for each day, or the percentage increase of appointments completed because of a new, more efficient initiative that you implemented. And use the WHO method. What you did, how you did it, and the outcome. Ensure your resume is readable to both humans and applicant tracking systems, or ATSs. ATSs scan your resume and compare it to the job description to provide a score. The more relevant keywords you include, the better the score will be. Now, let's add in your education, licenses, and certifications. Where you place this section will depend on when you completed your credentials. If you graduated within the last 3 years, place the Education, Licenses, and Certification section under the Professional Summary. If you graduated more than 3 years ago, it should follow the Experience section. Along with the types of credentials, include the institution where you completed each. If earned more than 3 years ago, you don't need a completion date. Okay, we've covered all the essential sections. Now it's time for a few do's and don'ts to take your resume to the next level. Do choose a simple layout. Don't use uncommon fonts, columns, images, graphs, or tables. Keep it concise. Do focus on the last 10 years of your career. Don't include a comprehensive list of every position you've ever held. Do limit the resume length to 1 to 2 pages. Don't expect the recruiter to read past your second page. Do divide sections logically. Always prioritize the most relevant information first. Don't fall into outdated patterns simply because it's the way it's always been done. Do use bullet points for experience descriptions. Don't use paragraphs. They take longer to read. If your resume isn't easy to digest, the recruiter may put it aside. And finally, do use Indeed's free instant resume report to get actionable suggestions to improve your resume. It can be daunting to update your resume, but it's important to not let it get stale. Remember, just like you, your resume evolves and grows with each new experience. If you're looking for more career advice, company reviews, or job opportunities, create or sign into your free Indeed account.